back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. What I mean today, as you can see here, we're going to do some pork skewers or kebabs in a kind of Chinese style. We've got some lovely kind of flavors on there, 5 spice, garlic, ginger and so on. Really quite easy. Now you can cook these on a barbecue if you want, but I'm going to be cooking them on my stovetop. Let's go and do it. Okay, really simple. I've got my pork here. I've cut it into some nice cubes. I'm using a pork loin, a little bit of fat in there, which I like as well, helps it out I think. So we're going to add some pepper, quite a lot of white pepper I'm using today. Could be using black. Salt. A little bit of chopped onion. A little bit of fresh chili. Here I've got some 5 spice powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in this lot. 2 nice heaped ones. Then chopped minced ginger and chopped minced garlic. A little bit of ground nuts oil. Just a little touch. And then some sesame seed oil. Nice toasted one. Bit more of that. Simply we're going to give that a mix, and then we're going to cover that, put it in the fridge, leave it for about 3 or 4 hours, then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so look, bamboo or wooden skewers, if you're going to be using these, not metal, then you need to soak these in water. So get them soaked in water for an hour or 2. Otherwise what will happen is if you put them on your barbecue or on your pan or something, they basically catch fire because they're like tinder wood. So yeah, soak them in water, job done. Okay, so as you can see, I've taken my bamboo skewers or sticks and like I say, I've soaked them and just added our pork onto there. Now, I just want to talk to you about that little balance there of onions and mixture. Let's do that. So we've got a little bit of our onions, chili and marination there. I don't want to throw that away. What I'm going to do now is add some soy. I've got a nice dark one in there. Now the reason I didn't put that into the mixture is because I don't want to colour the meat fully with it. If you marinate with the dark soy, it really kind of colours it. I'm now going to put in a little bit of honey. We're going to mix this together, and once our pork starts to cook, we're going to brush this on as we go through. So it's going to give it a nice kind of tanginess and sweetness. So I'm just going to add another splash of the the sesame seed oil. Nice toasty flavour. So that's it. Now if you're going to do these on a barbecue, of course, do them nice and slow, keep them away from the flames. We're going to do these just in a skillet on the pan right here. Okay, so I've got a flat skillet. It's a non-stick surface. I'm not going to put anything on it, any oil or anything, but we're just going to place in our skewers. I'm going to have to do these in 2 batches, not going to fit on. And simply what we're going to do is we're going to flip them over every, couple of minutes. And then once we've kind of got it nice and cooked, or it's well on its way, we then can start adding some of that beautiful extra marination to finish them off. Okay, so I've got these to about sort of 80% done. Well, I'm happy with them. It's at this point we're going to add the dark soy marination. Like I say, we've got some honey in there. You could be using sugar if you wanted. Just sort of last 20% of the way, get this marination on. I'll turn the heat down now so it's a bit lower. But yeah, really easy, and these are super delicious. So I'm going to go for about another possibly 4 or 5 more minutes, turning them over on this low heat now. Okay, and there you go, really simple. Really tasty. They'd be nice with like kind of peanut sauce or something like that. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.